Denis. I'm one of the workers here at the Callahan Center full-time. I think everybody knows me here. And we're in a brand new atmosphere here. It's been very challenging but very rewarding. We have a lot of new foods in our area. We have a Southwest station which has international food. We have right back an Asian food station. Both brand new stations. Mediterranean station, which is now a focus in from the past. We have what was called the pasta station, pizza station. All together, they have two pastas on one side, and on your other side you have pizza. Then, to the people that have gluten-free issues, we have a clothing section over there, and it's called Cooking Servings. It has all gluten-free varieties of food. We have the salad bar, and then down further we have a natural shell. You have to do a little walk around to get used to it, and I've walked around too, because there's things in different areas. We've extended our hours here to 8 o'clock in the evening during the middle of the week, and from 6:15 to 7 o'clock on the weekend, and it's worked out well. And I think a lot of the sporting teams, for some reason they can't get here on time, have a little extra time to chow. So that's what's new. I mean, I think basically you just have to come in, find out where things are, and we're always here to help you. Our team is always here to help you. This is a new question.